Hey, what's up guys? Today we're taking a close look at the Reolink's TrackMix, a PoE security camera that brings some serious tech to the table. So if you're looking for a camera that can track motion, deliver dual views, and hold up in any lighting conditions, stick around because this one might be exactly what you're searching for. Hey, a big thanks to Reolink for providing the TrackMix P760 camera along with a 16-channel network video recorder, both of which are featured in today's review. I've been really impressed with the TrackMix. It's a pan-tilt zoom camera that gets both power and data through a single Ethernet cable. That's a big win with PoE cameras. No extra power adapters or messy electrical work. Just one cable and you're all set. This camera is connected to Reolink's RLN16 410 NVR, which you see here. It comes preloaded with a 4 terabyte hard drive. That'll typically give you 10 to 14 days of non-stop 24/7 recording based on average residential motion and a 4K bitrate. Once that drive fills up, it switches to loop recording, overriding the oldest footage so you don't miss a beat. If you need more space, storage is expandable up to 16 terabytes. The TrackMix is equipped with two lenses, a wide-angle lens to capture the big picture and a telephoto lens that zooms in on the details. And the best part, you can see both views simultaneously, eliminating the need to switch between the two views. Let's talk about how this camera handles motion tracking. It's got AI-powered auto tracking, so it can identify and follow people, cars, and even pets. With a 355-degree pan and a 90-degree tilt, it's basically like having a security guard that never blinks. And what about nighttime coverage? Reolink didn't skip here either. You've got two night vision modes, standard infrared that reaches up to 100 feet, or kick in the built-in 450 lumen spotlights for full color night vision, which gives you a clear view up to about 30 feet. No more grainy black and white clips. You'll actually see what's going on in the dark. Installation was super straightforward on my end. I mounted the camera to my downspout using the LiveFast universal wall mounting bracket, which comes with 3 stainless steel straps for a solid secure fit. And I've got to say, Reolink's app is solid. You get real-time motion alerts, live views from both lenses, and two-way audio so you can chat with visitors or warn off intruders right through the camera. The app settings let you dial in detection for humans, vehicles, and animals, and you can fine-tune motion zones and sensitivity. You can even turn the spotlight and the siren on or off, depending on what makes sense for your setup. When it comes to daytime video quality, this camera is seriously sharp. The wide-angle lens records in 4K resolution, giving you a clear, full view of the scene, while the zoom lens delivers detailed close-ups using its 6x hybrid zoom. So you're getting the big picture and the fine details at the same time, even from a distance. If you want the full breakdown of specs, check out Reolink's spec sheet. The link is in the description. Nighttime footage holds up well too. Infrared mode provides clear visibility up to 100 feet, while the spotlights deliver full-color night vision up to about 30 feet. This is especially useful for identifying faces in low-light conditions. I tested how quickly this camera alerts you when motion is detected. Notifications were generally fast, popping up on my phone within 2 to 3 seconds of movement. The cooldown period has expired, so this will be a test of the camera notification time starting now. So about around 2 seconds. As for detection distance, I was able to consistently pick up human movement around 30 feet with decent recognition up to about 50 feet depending on angle and lighting. The two-way talk feature works pretty well. Audio is clear on both ends, and the mic does a good job of filtering out background noises. This is a test of the microphone. This is a test of the microphone at about 10 feet. The built-in siren is loud enough to get someone's attention, although it's not ear-piercing. So after using this camera and checking out a ton of reviews specific to the TrackMix PoE P760 model, here's what stood out. That dual lens setup is a big win. You get both a wide view and a zoomed-in view at the same time, so nothing slips by. Auto tracking is smooth and accurate. It follows movement naturally with barely any lag. Night vision holds up well, whether you're using the IR or full color mode. The weatherproof build feels tough enough to handle just about any season. Installation is clean and simple with a single Ethernet cable, and the app is easy to use with handy features like two-way talk, smart detection, and remote access. Now on to a few drawbacks that you'll want to know about. Some users have mentioned a slight delay before auto tracking kicks in, and the AI detection, while good, isn't perfect. Animals sometimes get flagged as people and vice versa. Time-lapse recording only works with the wide-angle lens, so if you're hoping to zoom in on something like your garden blooming, that's a limitation. Plus, time-lapse is disabled entirely if you're running the camera with an NVR setup like I'm doing. Speaking of NVRs, the camera's compatibility with third-party systems can vary, so keep that in mind if you're not using Reolink's own hardware. And finally, while the zoom-in is solid, it's not true optical zoom. There are some digital enhancements in the mix. All in all, if you're after a smart security camera that tracks movement, gives you multiple viewing angles at once, and holds its own in any lighting condition, this camera is hard to beat. If you want to see it in action or grab either the camera or the NVR for your setup, check out the links in the description. And if you're curious about Reolink's doorbell camera, I'll be covering that in an upcoming video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.